granddaughter Khloe, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make polar bear pals. For the ingredients, you are going to need 12 ounces of white chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 15 blue M&Ms, 1/4 cup of white sparkling sugar, 15 oyster crackers, 30 chocolate chips for the eyes, 30 miniature marshmallows for the ears, and 30 Ritz Crackers. Let's get started. I am putting my peanut butter between 2 Ritz Crackers. Then we're just gonna make a tiny cracker and put it right there. Make sure it's facing up and just these are off to the refrigerator to chill for 15 minutes. I'm gonna melt my white chocolate chips in the microwave, stirring every 15 seconds until melted. I'm back with the melted white chocolate. Back with the chilled peanut butter crackers. We're dipping our crackers into the chocolate.
Here, you mean to help you?
No, good.
Okay.
And then after that, just get
Here, you got
your
this side.
fork, scoop, and pat a little bit to get all that extra chocolate on the tray and slide.
Okay. Very good.
After all your crackers are dipped in white chocolate, off to the fridge to chill. This is how you assemble the polar bear pals. Take one that is chilled, dip one of your oyster crackers into the melted white chocolate, and then cover it up. Tap off the exit, pull it off. Then get another fork and spread it on the bottom of it. Take a blue M&M, put it in the center of the cracker, and make sure it's face down. For the eyes, you're going to take one chocolate chip and dip it in the white chocolate, then put it on the side like that. Then you're gonna need another white chocolate chip, dip it in the white chocolate. We're using marshmallows for the ears. So you're just gonna take one marshmallow, dip it in the white chocolate, put it inside, then get another, dip it in the white chocolate, and put it on the side. Add white sprinkles to sprinkle it on the polar bear pal. That's how you make your polar bear pals. This is my brother, and he's gonna help me taste test. Here we go.
Got a stick.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah. Wasn't good. And this tastes in my eyeballs.
What do they taste like?
This is so good. Oh, I can't bite it when it's frozen.
Let's see what yours look like, Sawyer.
Oh.
You taste peanut butter and the Ritz crackers with the chocolate chip.
Hope y'all give this a try. Make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe and like Play with Foods 101. And on Tutorial Foods 101. Thanks for watching. Give them a try. They're delicious.